Hello everyone! So if you want to connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 to multiple smartphones, first of all grab your smartphones, make sure to turn on Bluetooth on both of them and make sure that one of them is already connected to your Mi Fitness application, which we gonna need. Now open up this application, find your device section right here at the bottom, not somewhere else but exactly at the bottom. Press more and press connect new phone. Now press switch. On our another smartphone, let's open up the same exact application. Here it is. Alright. And press pair. Confirm your pairing process with your watch. Press allow. And basically that's it. Now we have our watch synchronized on both of the phones. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.